Hello dear fans. Why dinosaurs became extinct, some hypotheses. Dinosaurs are among the most mysterious living things that have ever inhabited planet Earth. This may be due to the fact that a person learns about dinosaurs only from excavations, because these types of living creatures have become extinct long ago. Scientists explain the disappearance of dinosaurs with various hypotheses. The question of why dinosaurs became extinct has been worrying scientists for a very long time, but today there is no single version. There are several options that, to one degree or another, explain the mystery of the death of all dinosaurs on Earth. There is a version that one or more asteroids fell to the ground. This version is just a legend and has found both theoretical and experimental refutation. The version about the active volcanism that took place is also recognized as just a myth. It is worth noting that many believe that the death of dinosaurs occurred as a result of a sharp change in climatic conditions and a record sharp cooling. But this version was also refuted. There are tables that were compiled after the study. In one of them, you can see that no climatic jumps were observed at that time. Among the answers to the question of why the dinosaurs became extinct, there is a variant of a lack of food or mass poisoning, as well as a viral epidemic, but they also received a refutation. There are versions about the death of dinosaurs associated with the fall in sea level and the explosion of a new star, which occurred in the immediate vicinity of the solar system and our planet. Many scientists take this point of view. Some scientists studying the issue of the death of dinosaurs believe that all these reasons could have happened at approximately the same time and thereby destroy all dinosaurs on Earth. I.e., there is still no consensus on the reasons for the disappearance of dinosaurs. Thanks for watching.